In this video, we will convert this assembly instruction to the machine instruction. You can see this instruction has a segment overriding, right? Whenever you have segment overriding, you have to just put that segment overriding information as a prefix. So prefix for EX, you can get it from the table. The prefix for ES is going to be 26. The prefix for ES is going to be 26. So whatever machine instruction you get, that will be having a prefix of 26. Otherwise, the conversion to the machine instruction is similar to one you do it for MOV AX comma within square bracket DI plus 1000H. So we will proceed as usual. First opcode. Your opcode will be 100010. Then D bit. D bit is definitely 1 because data is going to the register. D bit is going to be 1. Similarly, your W bit is also going to be 1 because it is 16 bit, right? So, and REG, immediately you write REG, definitely from the table, REG for AX is going to be your 000. So, you will have this, your REG is going to be 000, and then you will have to go for your mode bit, right? So, you have to go for your mode bit and the R by M bit. So, which you can get it from the table for DI plus D16 displacement. Okay. So, where do you have the DI plus D16 displacement? You can see the same thing here. Okay. You can see the same thing here. See here, dx plus D16, DI plus D16. That's what we are going to see. So what is the corresponding R by M bit? That is 101. Mode bit is 10. So mode bit is 10. R by M bit is 101. So this is going to be your 10. This is going to be your 10. Okay, and this is going to be your 101. 101. Okay, so done. Right now you make a group of 4 bits. Okay, and then try to get the hexadecimal equivalent of this. Okay, so this will be 8, this will be B, this will be 8, this will be 5, right? So there will be a prefix because of this segment overriding. Then comes your displacement. Displacement lower byte first and higher byte next. So 0010H. That's all. This is going to be the machine instruction, okay, for the assembly instruction given. That's all. This question.